Yeah, and Josh, they brought out in a previous witness that they tried to do a deposition of the folks at Disney, and they sent a quote-unquote representative, but that representative, as you know, if you've ever done a civil case, then they come in and, oh, I don't know about this, I don't know about the other. There's pushback. They don't want to be seen in a negative light. So there could very well be a tactical decision here. We don't want to call a company that's going to be against us right from the get-go and no real ability to be able to cross-examine them. Is it possibly, Josh, a res ipsa loquitur, as they say, the thing speaks for itself, and that the jury clearly understands that this did have an effect and derailed his career?
You make a good point. I think when you're dealing with a company like Disney, especially, right? They have this reputation of being so wholesome, and they're family friendly, and they're for the kids. And you've got a franchise like the Pirates franchise. It's certainly aimed towards kids and aimed at families. And you can't have a star who's under all of these kind of allegations. So I think you're right. I think it might speak for itself. The fact that this kind of harm, if he were, this kind of bad boy actor that was doing a bunch of movies that weren't like the Pirates franchise, and it didn't really matter, if he's doing drugs or allegations of domestic violence. But when you've got a franchise like Pirates and you got a company like Disney, they got to keep themselves, spotless. And I think that you make a good point that it might have spoken for itself that he was going to lose out on this just based upon those allegations and that op-ed alone.